guys, and welcome back to the channel. You know, 2018 has been a great year for me, and I'm happy to have done all the videos that I've done for you guys to help you with your better ownership on your BMWs in general. Thanks again for all the comments and messages. I always enjoy chatting with you guys on Instagram, Facebook, and of course on YouTube, and of course down in the comments section below. And so the time has finally arrived. I do have my BMW Fanatic merchandise that's out there just right now. So thanks again for all the people that have already, purchased the sweatshirts and t-shirts. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It definitely means a lot that you like the design. So they're available through Teespring at the moment, and now these are all premium quality clothing that I chose just because I do like the better brands, of course, and the better fit and finish. So you get the Bella Canvas, for the tees, and Bella Canvas for the hoodies. So I have all the normal colors, so sweatshirts and regular t-shirts at a great price, of course, as you can see.
So jumping over to Teespring, here are all my sweatshirts and of course t-shirts. They come in all the different colors that you can see. So of course, once you go to the link, you can see the different ones and of course the different sizes. So one new thing to list as well is that there is a 10% off coupon that you can apply to any of them. So if you just go, I have a promo code BMW Fanatic, all caps, no spaces, apply that coupon, and then you'll be able to see the savings at the bottom of it once it applies. There's no end date as of right now, so have at it.
Definitely check those out down below. You'll see it actually below my videos that you're watching as of right now, but I'll also put it down in the description box so you guys have a direct access to it. I'm gonna be giving a bunch away, so I'm waiting for that shipment to come in so that way I could do like my own prize giveaways with my own stuff, and then that's coming here soon. So a lot of great stuff coming up here this following week. I'm doing the rest of the vacuum lines, so I'm doing the wastegate vacuum lines for both of them, and I'm doing the vacuum canister ones. Now, if you haven't checked out my DIY of doing the vacuum main hard lines that run over the valve cover and then to the bottom, which always tend to break because it's by the oil filter housing, check out that DIY here at the top. So we got that going on. I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks because I have to replace my coils and plugs. So I'll show you some tips and tricks on that. I have that full DIY on there. Outside of that, we're gonna go through some diagnosing stuff, some oil leaks that we can do, and then some other new secret DIYs that are coming up here next. So thanks again for a great 2018. Appreciate all the support. Hope you have a great rest of your week. Thanks, and take care.